Hey guys, this is your girl Goldilocks here, and as they say, presentation is everything. So I wanted to come to you guys and show you this really luxurious and glam way to wrap any type of gift you have. This is great for birthdays, anniversaries, baby showers, any type of celebration that you have. This is the perfect way to just dress up your gifts. Now for this video, I'm actually not going to talk a whole lot. I'm just going to let you guys vibe to the music and enjoy the show. I'll be posting videos later that show the details of these two different styles that I created to make your gifts beautiful. So in the meantime, in between time, please make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for future videos. I'll see you guys on the other side.